Basahin nyo yung slides okay.
Hello.
No.
Please press down after.
Hindi yan!
Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Introduce yourself. You do it first.
Hi. Hi, I'm Reese David Valdivia, Bacheloraya 14B. Ayun. Wait.
I'm Marian Esquivias, Hiraya 14B, and I'm tired. Who isn't tired? No.
Ayun.
Okay. I'm Gabby from Quintal 15B, and you're...
Ayaw niya mag-move.
But you're...
Hello, Katas na Pase from Shanghai 14A.
Introduce yourself. Colleen Enriquez, batch Shanghai 14A. Ano ba? Mahilig akong kumain. Love ko si Jollibee. Ano?
Hi. Ako si Sam. Batch Tiraya 14B. Wala akong boyfriend.
Paparinig.
Paparinig.
You, Nika Payan, batch Shanghai 14A. Payan.
Long or short?
Ako long kasi I don't think we should settle for this.
Long kasi pag sumobra, pwede mo siyang gupitin. Kasi pag short, wait! On what context ba ito? Oh my God, wait lang! Mas gusto ko yung sobra kaysa kulang. So it's better to have more than to have little.
Explain briefly. Siyempre, hello. Satisfying.
Kailangan
Very-
mahaba ang pasensya.
Patience lang.
Ako ay tips. Gusto ko.
Ayan, stand on GE reform in essence or against?
Well, ako against ako basically because ayun nga, hindi pa na-consult basically ng University Council yung students about it. And I think na the more GEs, the merrier because I think GEs play a big role in holding us as informed and critical and students who will have various appreciation with the different disciplines and topics discussed in the course.
Against.
I'm for GE reform in the sense na they have to re-evaluate kung tama pa ba yung mga GEs na ino-offer, kung aligned pa ba siya doon sa field. Pero kasi I guess the GE reform now as on its current state, I'm not.
Sabi mo, Miss Universe eh.
In essence, ako pro-GE reform ako. Kasi ayun, econ and stuff, specialization is nice.
Ako I'm leaning towards against. Kasi feeling ko, okay, maganda yung hybrid GE program. Ang problem lang logistics. Yung problem lang kasi wala masyadong proper consultation sa students.
Yeah.
So,
Ayaw ko yung
ayun.
pagkaka-clear.
I mean, I'm also against because I feel like we're rushing into this too much. People are always saying it's for K-12, but there haven't been any proper consultation. In my eyes, there hasn't been any proper consultation or proper studying on the effects. And basically, the question always goes back to what are we studying for? What is the reason why we're even in college in the first place? So yeah.
So, side view first.
Side view. Tingin sa harap.
Okay, bilang kayo
Side view. Tingin sa harap. Tapos
Lalo pa kayo maisip
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Side view. No, just do it. Side view. 1, 2, 3.
Kita pa, maliit lang yung mata ko eh.
Tingin sa harap. You do it.
Paano ba to?
Yun nga, side view. Tingin sa harap. Kindat. Kami
Okay,
alam.
go lang.
Meme lord kami.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Okay, sabay tayo. One, wing. Okay. One, two, three. At friends.
Friends, gusto ko maging ka-close.
Diba close na tayo? O yan, I dab now. Gusto ko maging ka-close. I'm friends with everyone, so joke
Joke lang.
Sino ba yung hindi ko pa masyadong ka-close? Si Dorots. No context daw.
No context.
Sabi ka magsabi ka.
Wala na akong maisip. Sige, Paolo, bagnot na lang.
Hindi na ba kayo
Joke lang, may cross na kami ni Pao. Pero hindi, joke lang. Sino ba? Pero sige, yung Quintal 15 pina.
Oh, okay. Feeling ko kina-adman kasi I wasn't there for them. So, I want to know them more. So,
Sino mo? Ako si Roy. Ako si Nico! Nico Garo. Nauna ako pinaka. May one problem na experience. Hindi lang sa experience. Maraming ang nadadaya.
Oo. Yung current ngayon, oo. Ang daging
Nadadaya.
Sino ba nagdadaya dyan?
May kilala ako, pero
Name drop. It's wrong bracketing.
Hindi transparent yung pag-aapi.
I was like bracket B originally. My parents can't afford it. So I had to peel. O yan.
Thesis namin to ni Francis, dapat mahaba yung sasagot ko dito. Pero
Buti kayo
abangan na
may
lang.
thesis idea
Abangan na
na.
lang.
Hindi siya progressive. Progressive nga siya apparently according to the studies that were shown by people I've been talking to. So, you want to improve on that na dapat talaga pag mahirap ka, small percentage lang ng income mo yung nagagamit mo for tuition. Habang pag mayaman ka, it's a huge percent. Kasi kaya mo nang bayaran.
Siguro, sobrang inefficient nung pag-process nila ng mga appeals ng students. Kasi sobrang hassle, no? That, meron instance, I think, last year lang, first sem, I think, umabot ng, I don't know, September or almost, halos kalahati na ng sem nung halos mag-run nila yung appeals. And most of the time, basta hindi efficient talaga yung process.
Bring out your wallet. Show something na
Besides
nandyan,
money,
besides money, school
school
ID, ATM/credit cards. Okay. And explain bakit yan.
Konti lang yung bills ko kasi I saved everything
Hindi,
for
wag
my
nga-
anime
wag nga-
merchandise.
wag nga money.
Ayaw nga, no?
Ito, bus ticket. Kasi, ayun, kailangan ko mag-bus.
I have an ID photo. Para di mawala agad. Nag-focus ba? Di ma. O yan, ma. I never changed.
Receipt sa Bonchon kagabi.
Ay.
What else do I have? Uy, nandito din yung bigay sa akin results kahapon sa Kickstart Bazaar. A reminder that I should be healthy. I know, I'm trying to work on it. Yun lang. And I have Korean won. I don't know if it
Oo
counts.
na. Next question na.
Have a photo with two of my best high school buddies during our grad ball. And then another one, yung scratch nung letter ko kay Pao for affirm. Yun lang. Di ko siya binigay kasi hindi ko pala nasulat yung name niya. So baka akalaan niya kung kanina lang nanggaling. Pero hindi ko alam kung actually nabasa niya na yung message ko. But anyway.
Malita to, galing to kay Colleen Enriquez Yopat. Nung pumunta siyang Baguio. Ang cute na strawberry. Medyo finish na siya. Tapos, ito, wala proud ako dito. Philippine Mental Health Association membership card. Naalala, may parang... may haba yung kwento ng card na to. Pero I like writing the comment minsan. I like writing the comment. So, ayun. Tapos ito, napulot kong whistle. Sa Sunken Garden. Mahilig ako sa shiny things, guys.
Nagamit mo pa ba yan, Gatma?
Hindi. I mean, siguro, guys, nagamit ko siya nung pinulot ko kagad siya.
Ay!
Pinagalitan ako ni Gio kasi kinuwento ko yun sa kanya.
Hi, Gio.
Hi, Gio. Blade. Knife siya. Super talas niya. Para siyang safety mechanism. Para, sorry. Safety.
Magugulat kayo dito.
Family big.
Oh my God! Ano yan? Ay! Secret boyfriend. Boyfriend ng lahat. Guys, so, ano eh. Ay!
Family-oriented.
Ano bang gusto mong scandalous? Anong klase?
Hindi
Mga
sa
ano,
picture ng ex.
Ano yan?
Mayabang.
Wow, support.
Hard ng support.
Wala
Ay,
naman
yun
yung
na yun.
support.
You're stuck in an Ako ba sa this year na hindi mo ka-close? Sino to and why? Kevin Lobo. Marami siyang resources, ma'am. Mukhang ma-rescue ka sa akin. Tsaka feeling ko magaling siya magluto.
May malaking body para ko siya.
Wow! You know, that's so rude.
Alright. No. I think if I'm gonna be with someone, it'll probably be...
Si Reg, feeling ko di ko pa siya ka-close. But
Member na sila.
Ay, mem. New mem.
Hindi, okay lang naman eh.
Yeah. I think she's very, very resourceful.
Feeling ko si
And
Rob,
cool.
kasi feeling ko hindi kami,
Body ko yun.
hindi kami alis ng alam, lahat trip lang kami. Like, wala kami gagawin.
No, and he can reach like coconuts because he's very
Ay,
tall.
oo, pwede din yan.
Siguro si Ivan. Kasi wala lang, nakita ko lang siya kaninang umaga. So yun, pumasok sa utak ko. Kaya niya mag-survive in an island. Kaya ba ni Ivan? Hindi naman kaya ni Ivan. Kaya namin ni Ivan.
si MJ. I mean, hindi kasi kami lagi nag-usap ni MJ, pero feel ko yung parehas naming interest and love for Harry Potter is enough to keep us alive in that. So, hi MJ!
Is?
Pineapples on pizza, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, with reservations. Huwag
Yes.
sobrang dami.
Yung mga 2 pieces lang.
Oo, mga saktong tamis lang.
No. Pineapples and pizza, no. No, never.
Depends on my mood actually, but most of the time, no. Because I just like cheese pizza. I actually don't like anything
Nakakuha ka pa
with
ng pizza kanina. Thank you, Chito. by the
Happy
way.
birthday, Chito! It's May 11!
Pineapples on pizza. Yes!
Oh,
Bitch, you wanna fight me?
yes!
Excuse you. It's Michael Martinez likes pineapple on pizza. He said it in the live
Michael
stream
Martinez
earlier.
is in fear. Beans in halo-halo. Yes.
Yes. It's delicious.
It's in halo.
I know!
Kung yung color red,
Anong beans ba to?
Yeah.
Yung beans
Yeah,
or
no,
the...
not the-
wala namang munggo beans sa halo.
Ang gala. Yun na yun.
Basta yun.
Okay, no. No, ako no.
Basta anytime.
Beans in halo.
No! No! When I eat halo-halo, I only eat like 3 things there. Nata, saba, and then lechon. Yun lang yung naman ng halo-halong kinakain ko.
Actually, hindi nga ako masyadong kumakain halo-halo. Oh my God. Pinoy pa ako.
Who should pay on dates?
Ate.
Ate.
Bakit?
Ate.
TKB.
Pwede namang taya-taya. Like, itong date.
Or be smart. Have a budget.
Nga, mag-save kayo.
O kaya, ano na lang,
May same.
sa bahay na.
Mag-aral na lang kayo sa live.
How do I apply it?
Ganito, sama niyo yung parents niyo.
Either you and your date should be in agreement on who. Like, kung siya gusto niya manlibre, at ikaw okay lang din man sa'yo manlibre, gora lang. Or kung ikaw gusto mo manlibre, at okay lang din sa kanya manlibre, go din. Or kung gusto niya mag-split ng bill, sure, why not? I mean, mag-usap kayo, communication is key to any relationship.
That's
diba?
true actually. Who should pay on dates? I feel like I'm leaning more on the side of splitting the bill. Ang tanong niyo para sa Pao. Kaya ako na napapalit.
Kung magkano yung binayaran mo?
Both dapat.
Ayoko ng equal split though. Like, kunyari kung ano kung price ang binili niya, tapos ako, you
They
can see one meal.
Actually, depende kung ano yung pinag-usapan. Like, as long as may consent, diba? Hindi mo na.
Mauna umamin siya or ako.
Ano ba yan?
Siya muna may...
So, parang ako ata.
Ako okay lang ako. Hindi nagmamao. Sometimes the challenge is better.
Ako, kasi hindi naman ako kilala ni Michael Martinez, di ba? So, sinong mag-a-adjust? I made him notice me, but he didn't still notice me on his live stream.
Yung sagot ko doon, ako, kasi I made the mistake na hindi ako yung first person. Yeah.
Sad.
No, wait. I feel like, yeah, I mean, sa first answer ko, I'd rather feel like that person should feel love. Pero dahil manhid din akong tao, na I don't really look into relationships all that much na pag romantic, I'm assuming this is a romantic relationship. Pag romantic tapos ganun, hindi ako, manhid ako. So I feel like, kung gusto mong may mangyari sa atin, ikaw na umamin. Ikaw.
It actually depends on your judgment if he or she feels the same way about you. But if you feel like mutual naman and naiinip ka na yung gusto mo na maging kayo, di ko yung unang umamin, my God.
Parang
Or
madaling
ganon.
sabihin na.
Madaling siya sabihin.
Mahal ka. Mahal ko. O mahal ako. Mahal ako.
Ako din.
Mahal ko.
Kasi ano eh.
Napagod na ako. Hindi. Kung napapagod, ibig sabihin hindi mo tayo siya mahal.
Ako mahal ako kasi wala pa talaga nagmahal.
Mahal ko.
Both.
Hindi ko tanggap. I want one choice.
Kasi parehas naman naman.
Kailan ba naging mutually exclusive yung pagmamahal?
I don't know.
Ano? nagmamahal ka naman.
I'd rather be a small
Mahal ako ng mom ko, syempre.
The only man that likes me is my father. My brothers don't even like me.
Ganun yan.
Really good. Okay.
Sabay-sabay kami.
Okay. Sige.
Sabay ang
Read
bigkas.
lang, read. 1, 2, 3, go. So baby, let's just turn down the lights and close the door. Oh, I love that dress, but you don't need it anymore. Let's just kiss till we're naked, babe.
Sexy face. Sexy face.
So baby, let's just turn down the lights and close the door. Oh, I love that dress, but you don't need it anymore. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby. Sexy face. Sabi, sexy face daw. I'm not gonna make a sexy face.
Maybe let's just turn on the lights, close the door. Ooh, I love that dress, but I don't think you need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby.
Okay, with feelings You didn't say any feeling. So baby, let's just turn down the lights and close the door. Oh. Hindi ko kaya yung suspensive. I love that dress, but you don't need it anymore. Nag-moment ako, David. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby.
Sexy face daw.
You know, I can't do sexy face. Dick. What? Legalize marijuana?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, yes.
Ano, di ba?
Medical marijuana. And
Wag mo na i-criminalize yung mga drugs na may
may
tulong naman.
use. Ishabu, I don't know, may use ba yun?
Hindi, ano, you pick the ones naman that have use.
Oo nga, no?
Maniwala, yes or no? Kintal? Oh my God, Fox! Alabas! I'm sorry! Shit! Lagot ako sa kanila. Oh God. No. Knowing the government right now, I refuse.
Same. I second what she said.
For medical.
Yes. Ganja, Blazing 420.
Sex or chocolates? Why not?
Chocolates.
One lang? One lang?
I'm asexual, so chocolates.
I'm not chocolates for sex.
Chocolates. Duh.
Ano ba? Ito naman na try sex eh. Chocolates!
It will lead later on.
Chocolates, tapos sex.
Pag kulang pa yung dessert.
Wow!
Dapat una yung sex, tapos parang
Hindi, chocolate lang na chocolate sabay.
Para ma-end the movie.
Ito dapat may chocolate.
Sa'yo. Horror yung tutunaw na.
Tangay sugar for energy.
Pero, okay na. Sige na.
Yung next.
May love life ka ba? Choose. Walang meron. Sana pupunta ka. You have to choose between the three. Wala. Ayun.
Pinag-isipan ko pa pero
Wala, ako wala. Siguro. Oh! Wala, ako wala.
Hopefully daw, hopefully.
Ako wala. Wala.
Nung sabi sa 20, ano yan? 2020.
Sabi naman sa Facebook magkakajowa na.
Sabi ni Whitney Bond.
Sabi ni Whitney Bond.
Magkakajowa na.
Wala.
I deleted mine eh, kasi it's an app. Joke, wala.
Say bye-bye to the camera. Say anything. Pwede plug ganyan. Or message to the accounts. Or ano.
Bye, especially to our seniors.
Oo nga, bye-bye. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa video. Wow! Sarap. Brought to you by the EB of Every Lot Counts.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
goodbye!
Tama ba yung blending natin?
No. Thank you. Ang gagaling nyo. Power.
Message ko, di ko alam.
Maybe you should exit like a YouTuber.
Oo nga. Abangan mo lang abangan na lang siguro kung ano mangyayari next year sa ETC.
Yeah, kasi the president
Exit
elect.
comments, stuff like that. Pero yeah, we got a lot of things planned. So stay tuned. Like, may engage talaga.
Let's say goodbye like a YouTuber. Wear your seatbelt.